So you want to make a career in aviation and airline industry? Is that right? I think this will be one of the best decisions of your life. The whole scenario of aviation industry is changing in India. With Tata's taking over Air India, with Vistara and Indigo and SpiceJet expanding in a big way, ordering more aircrafts, which will be joining their fleet very soon, which means they will need more manpower. The Indian government is already constructing 200 more airports in India because India is already at number 5 or 6 in the world aviation growth, and India will be number 1 in next few years. What does this mean? This means more opportunities for the people who are ready to grab, who are trained, who have the skills that are required for these jobs. And if you are deciding to come in this industry at this time, I think this is one of the best decisions. I'm going to help you to go on this journey and make a success for yourself in this industry as we go along on this journey. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.